Have you ever wanted to turn a photo into a video but didn't know how? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in less than a minute using this amazing AI tool I discovered just yesterday. Before we dive in, if you're all about unlocking powerful AI tools that can save you time and take your creativity to the next level, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I've got tons of content coming up, and you don't want to miss out. Step 1. Open your browser and type Pixverse in the search bar. Once the site loads, you don't even need any technical experience. Just sign up using your Google, Apple, or Discord account. It's that simple. I'll go ahead and sign in with my Google account for this demo. As a new Pixverse user, you'll receive 100 tokens right away, plus 30 free tokens daily. These tokens allow you to turn images into videos without spending a penny. How awesome is that? If you're finding this helpful so far and are excited to try this out, go ahead and tap that like button. It helps others discover this video and brings more people into our growing community. Step 2. Once you're signed in, click on Image and select the picture you want to animate. I'm using a landscape photo for this example. Step 3. Now, choose your video duration, either 5 or 10 seconds. I'll select 5 seconds for this demonstration. The best part? Your video will be in HD quality. Step 4. Adding action details. Here's where the magic happens. Describe the action you want the AI to bring to life in your image. For example, if your image shows an antelope by a riverbank, you can add action details like, the antelope lowers its head to drink from the stream, and then raises it slightly, letting water drip off its chin. Once you've typed in your action details, click Generate, and give it a few seconds to process. Amazing! The AI did a fantastic job bringing this scene to life. If you're loving this so far and want more cool ideas, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's try something more unique, a hybrid animal of a tiger with eagle wings standing on a mountain. I typed in the prompt, a fierce tiger with eagle wings stands on a mountain, letting out a powerful roar. The wings slightly spread as the tiger raises its head. In seconds, you'll have an animated video. If you've tried this tool or got similar results, drop your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing your experiences. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. And if you're serious about taking your content to the next level with AI tools, then make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video.